Hi, I'm Pam Hosel, CEO and founder of Entrepreneur Ready. My business partner and I built our first company to $18 million. After we sold it, I decided to start my own company. I started growing it and then decided to take out a second mortgage on my house to grow it faster. About 2 years later, that business failed. And when it did, it was a personal nightmare. I was over-leveraged. I ended up being a single mom, struggling for the next 5 or 7 years on the border of homelessness, trying to come back financially. And that's the moment Entrepreneur Ready was born. Because the truth is, most small businesses don't fail because the idea isn't good. They fail because of you and I. They fail because the founder runs out of time, money like I did in my second company, or motivation. And lots of times, there's a ton of people just sitting on the sidelines, not bringing their ideas or products or service to market at all because they don't know what to do next. That's why I started Entrepreneur Ready and the How to Start Something Accelerator. We give you a clear step-by-step de-risking roadmap to make sure you're confident and know what to do next. In addition, you get feedback on every step of your journey throughout the program from real entrepreneurs who have been trained to accelerate you and trained in the de-risking process. You'll be a part of a vibrant peer community with live events, all of which is there to support you. You won't be going it alone. You'll be going with people just like you and people that are experts on how to accelerate you. In the last 3 years alone, we've helped 1,300 people just like you take back control of their life and start something. Get themselves from idea to income. So, if this is your year, if you're ready to stop putting your dreams on hold, if you want to create new income, find a path to take back control of your time and your life, do what you enjoy or believe in, create generational wealth, join us. Click below and let's get started. Still have questions? Talk to a coach. I can't wait to see you in the next cohort.